The problem is that unfortunately I cannot register for the marketplace
Why?
because we are not in a launch
in the
zone.
region, maybe
in a
in
launch
the region.
zone of Windows
zone.
Phone 7.
So, you know, that's
Yeah, we are trying to have a communication channel with Microsoft
Okay.
and see how we can get this maybe in the future few months.
But without marketplace, can we still use Windows 7 phone and
Yes, actually, for developers they cannot submit their application, but
Okay.
for consumers or for normal users, they can still access the marketplace, download applications, and use it.
But what was what is the initial reason that Saudi and Middle East is not in there? Arabic support or something?
Yeah. In the initial launch, I believe that there will be no Arabic support.
Okay.
But I was promised by someone that they are trying to push it to
Okay.
have Arabic support.
Okay.
So let's hope.
The guy like me who loves, who's an English guy, he will never understand Arabic.
Yeah, but for us in the region, it's very important, at least for me, to read Arabic. This is the least minimum
Fine.
requirement.
Yeah,
to be
yeah,
able to read
absolutely.
Arabic. Because
So you will not be
Arabic
able to even read an email that will come to with this phone?
Not until we see it.
Okay.
Maybe it will have.
But have you
Arabic
tried to
reading
emulate
support.
this, that you write some text
On
in
the
Arabic?
emulator, I have tested it on the actually CTP, Community
Okay.
Technical Preview.
Okay.
It was not supporting Arabic.
Okay.
When I tried to change the phone, it changed and it worked in Arabic.
Okay.
So it's up to the developers which phone they are using and how they are using it. It might work with Arabic, it might not, I'm not sure until I get a real device in my hand. So
Okay.
then we will let you know. Definitely, we will let you know if it supports Arabic or not.
Very nice. So, okay, when we are going to see something, something live or demo or something on the emulator?
On the emulator, we can do it for the next session, next episode.
Okay, I think that's very long for now. We made a target that we'll not be talking more than 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we just took our time. Your 10 minutes are almost over.
Mhm.
So I think, so let's talk about Silverlight.
Mhm.
Okay, what is the learning curve requiring? Is there anything special need on Windows 7 phone development? I mean, other than Silverlight?
If you are an application developer, you need Silverlight to build applications. If you are a game developer, you can build your games on XNA platform. It's like building games on the Xbox or even the games for the desktop. For some scenarios, you don't even require to change any line of code.
Oh, wow.
Between all.
So what do you think? Can I do F5 and put a breakpoint and it will cut the breakpoint?
Yes, definitely. You have the full debugging, full-fledged Visual Studio. You'll really enjoy. And if you have Visual Studio Ultimate, for example, it will automatically integrate into your Visual Studio.
Wow.
So you don't necessarily have two versions of Visual Studio installed. If you have Visual Studio version installed on your machine, once you install the Windows Phone tools, it will automatically add it in a separate category when you create a new project. So you can start a new project of Windows Phone 7.
And can we integrate it with SharePoint? Like I can read data from SharePoint and from.
Sure. Every Windows Phone, even the Windows Phone, the old Windows Mobile, 6, 6.1,
Okay.
6.5, once you get the new Office, now the latest version is Office 2010 for Windows Phone. It has the ability to connect to SharePoint and to view the documents and the lists on SharePoint.
Wow, out of the box.
Yes, out of the box.
But I'm talking about the development experience. Can I read data? Do I need to know something else, or I just be worried about, the SharePoint guy gave me a web service and I call the web service?
It's web services mostly.
Okay.
If you have a web service on your SharePoint website, so you can just retrieve the data to the Windows Phone device.
Very nice. Fine. Okay, I think that's more than enough, but I would love to see something, like Hello World,
We can do that. Unfortunately, I don't have it installed on this laptop.
Oh, okay, no problem.
I have it installed on my other machine, so maybe in the next episode I will.
But I'm sure that you will surely get that laptop here in the next.
It's not a laptop; it's a desktop. So I will show you the full experience.
No problem. You can do it on my machine, or I can give you a Hyper-V.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
So that's about it. We have took our time. I guess the main purpose was to introduce you to Windows 7 and Windows 7 phone. Sorry, and Hopefully, you will like our episodes. If you want to know anything special, make sure you email to.
Email me on adel@windowsphonemE.com. adel@windowsphonemE.com.
Okay.
Or follow me on Twitter on this link. For more information, you can head to developer.windowsphone.com and you can download the tools from there, and you'll find all the information you need to get started. There are some videos, tutorials, all of these things. We'll also be posting some tutorials online on the community website. That would be great.
Okay.
So just wait for us.
And also, we'll be having a page on the Facebook very soon, so make sure you go and like it.
Sure.
So that you can get updates from us.
Sure.
Okay, everybody. This is Jerry. Thank you very much.
This is Adel. Thank you very much, and we'll see you.
See you. Bye.
Bye bye.